Hey fellow Dota fanatics, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own team in Dota 2. To do so, you first need to open your Dota 2 via the Steam client, and then on the top left side of your screen, you'll see a gear icon, which is your settings menu. Click on it. Once you're in the settings menu, go to the account tab by clicking here. Now click on Manage Pro Info and Teams. So, as you can see, I've already created two teams. So to create your own team, just click on Create New Team option right here. Fill all the details and then click on OK, and then you should have your own team. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host, Tees. Happy gaming!